Hello. So today we will see how can we create or open a project in Unity. First thing is that we need a Unity hub, and inside we need to see that we have a Unity editor version installed. After that we go to the projects and we click on the new project, and here we need to choose the template. It can be according to your work. It can be in 2D environment, it can be in 3D environment, so whatever you want you can click on it. For example, I click on the 3D built-in renderer pipeline. After that I will name my project. Here I will name it test project, and after that I will check on the location, from which location you need to add your project inside the folder. Anywhere whatever you want you can click here and choose the folder accordingly. After that you need to click on a create project and your project start loading. Now we need to know how can we open an existing project. For example, what we need to do, we need to click on the add button and we need to click on the add project from disk. If we click on that, then we can see here we have multiple projects here. For example, we just click on that project and click open, and here we can see the project is inside the Unity hub, and we click directly here and it will start loading and it will open. Now what we need to see, if we want to add a project from the repository, it can be your plastic SCM. If I click here I can see the Unity projects here. If I have any access I can see that. For example, here you can see these are the accessible projects for me. If I click anywhere, for example I click here and go to the next, and then here you can see it will give me the option to choose the location, and after that I click on the next project, and what will happen, we need to select the editor version. After that what we need to do, we need to click on the open project and it will start opening. Okay, so this is how you can create project. You can open an existing project from the disk, and this is how you can create an existing project from the repository. So this is how you can open the project and create a project inside the Unity. Thanks for that. Meet you in the next video.